Best convertibles for 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata. As 2024 unfolds, the market for convertibles heats up, with the 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata leading the pack. Renowned for its nimble handling, timeless design, and pure driving pleasure, the latest iteration of the Miata continues to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata remains faithful to its heritage with a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that produces 181 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain, mated to either a precise 6-speed manual or an available 6-speed automatic transmission, ensures a spirited and engaging driving experience. The Miata's lightweight construction, weighing in at just over 2,300 pounds, enhances its agility and responsiveness, making it one of the most fun-to-drive cars on the market. Handling has always been a hallmark of the Miata, and the 2024 model is no exception. Its rear-wheel drive layout, near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution, and sport-tuned suspension provide exceptional balance and control. Whether carving through winding roads or navigating city streets, the MX-5 Miata delivers an exhilarating ride with precise steering and minimal body roll. Aesthetically, the 2024 MX-5 Miata is a head-turner. Its sleek, flowing lines, sculpted body, and signature front grille give it a dynamic and elegant presence. The convertible's soft top is easy to operate, allowing drivers to effortlessly transition from a closed to an open-air driving experience in seconds. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused, featuring comfortable sport seats, high-quality materials, and intuitive controls. Despite its compact size, the Miata offers a cozy and inviting interior, with just enough space for 2 passengers. Technology and safety are not overlooked in the 2024 MX-5 Miata. The infotainment system includes a 7-inch touchscreen with Mazda Connect, offering seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose audio system is available, providing high-quality sound to complement the driving experience. On the safety front, the Miata is equipped with advanced features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane departure warning, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata faces competition from other notable convertibles like the BMW Z4, Porsche 718 Boxster, and Ford Mustang convertible. The BMW Z4 offers a blend of luxury and performance. The Porsche 718 Boxster is known for its superb handling and powerful engines, and the Ford Mustang convertible combines muscle car performance with open-air freedom. In conclusion, the 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands out in the convertible market with its unique combination of performance, style, and driving enjoyment. As Mazda continues to refine and enhance this iconic roadster, the Miata remains a top choice for those seeking a pure, unfiltered driving experience. Whether for weekend getaways or daily commutes, the 2024 MX-5 Miata promises to deliver joy and excitement every time you get behind the wheel.